Sandeep Sikka, the CFO, is with us. Sandeep, hi, afternoon. A great set of numbers. Tell us what contributed to your performance this quarter. What can you attribute these numbers to?
So I'll take you back in a sense that we have been investing into various initiatives for last 3-4 years. Especially you see the investments into the consumer products, our investment into the pipes division, and of late our glass packaging division, they have started contributing both at the bottom line as well as the top line. So the combined effect of this is that on the overall basis we have a 20% plus growth both on the sales, and EBITDA has also grown. There is an increased charge of depreciation and interest, but the whole set of results in terms of capacity utilization for the facilities which have been created is yet to come. So in next 1 or 2 years we see the full utilization of capacities coming in, and the impact of that will also be shown in the sales as well as the EBITDA going forward.
Okay. I just want to talk in detail about your consumer product division, because that, like you also just highlighted, has made some significant revenue uptick as well. What are the new product launches that you're looking at, or is the plan now to just take what is at hand currently, the entire consumer basket, to only push that forward?
So we have 3 critical, very important product portfolio right now. One is kitchen hoods and hobs and chimneys, wherein we are now number 2 player in the market in just 3 years of operation. The second largest business is actually the air cooler business, and also of the same percentage is around our water heater business. Right now the focus, and apart from this we have water purifier and air purifier. We are right now trying to consolidate our business into these 3 in these 5 product categories, but definitely we keep our eye on many number of other products which we may launch, but right now the focus is on these 5 products.
Okay. Your consumer product division particularly has made a significant increase in revenue. Talk to us about that particular category, what's led to it and the outlook.
So this is a whole focused division within the HSIL, and in 3 years on the backdrop of a very strong brand Hindware, and also very dedicated team, and also the quality products which we give to the consumer, we have been able to establish almost 9,000 retail touch points in the market, and around 500 retail touch points in the modern store. Modern retail. The product has been very well established in the market, and the end consumer is happy because we give substantial support in terms of the after sales service. I think these are the key points wherein the consumer per se has a comfort dealing with the Hindware brand, and that's a part of our strategy to further extend our brand to the newer products and the newer segments, so that we are able to make better offerings to the consumers.
Are you looking at also possibly launching any new products in the coming months? Any sort of new launches in particular categories that are lined up?
We are working on few things, but it will be premature for me unless the board approves something. I think once the board has approved it, then only we can make any comment or advancement on it.
And are you witnessing a pickup in the sanitary ware segment, where the green shoots seen in the real estate sector? Is that something that's picking up as well? What about your expectations on developments in the housing sector, for example?
Housing sector, few pockets we have seen pick up, but still the overhang of the large inventory, especially in the NCR region, is very strong. So we feel that once all this resolution of the inventory which is already there in the system happens, we'll see upside. But right now, as you would know, the sanitary ware faucet market is to large extent linked with the developments of the real estate sector, and there we are not that bullish. But as we move forward, we see that we should be able to demonstrate around 10% growth in this business over next 12 to 18 months.
Okay, so and finally, Mr. Sikka, just to get a sense from you on whether there's any organic or inorganic expansion plans in the pipeline, capex for FY20, any forward-looking, and guidance you can give us.
So on the guidance side, if you see, as I told you, we invested historically last 3-4 years has been very capital intensive, and we have invested into the new pipes division, we have invested in the consumer products. We also expanded the capacity on the sanitary ware, as well as we are under expansion of the faucet facilities. The focus is right now, actually we have all these businesses on the table. We are not looking at organic, inorganic right now in terms of acquisition, because in terms of the capacities, in terms of the market, and in terms of the brand, we have very strong brand. So we're just trying to consolidate and just demonstrate the market how the returns are coming through in next 2 years. That's a part of the plan.
Fantastic, Mr. Sikka. Thanks so much for joining us and running us through all the latest at HSIL.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
What to expect going forward as well.